Okay, hi, this is Carrie, and this is like part 2 or 3 or 4 of the refrigerator that I found out in the field, on the side of the road, upside down, leaning on its side. And so we plugged it in, and it ran for a minute. I swapped out the relay and the capacitor and the overload relay with a good used one, and it started for like a minute, and then it just did a death rattle and stopped, and then it started making the buzz click sound. So I have it unplugged for a couple hours, so I'm gonna plug it back in and tape and video and record, see what happens. Here it goes. So it's starting. That's a starting sound. That's a really good sound. So let's see what happens after 30 seconds in. It just froze. See if that happens or not. That's a compressor, still running. This is bent pretty severely. That should kind of come out straight instead of going down like this. It should kind of go straight and out. So I don't know if that is a possible crack in the solder or in the pipe where the refrigerant is flowing. Anyway, okay, so we're running. It's definitely compressing. I thought it would have froze like it did the time before. It's interesting. Yeah. Wow. And this is the abruptly compressor. February 1st, 2015, and down below there. Really small print. Well, seems to be running. That's the sound of a good running compressor. I just swapped it out with the old one. But the time before, it ran for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then it just kicked off. So, all right, well, 4 minutes in, we're still running. So that sounds like it's compressing. I'll check the freezer section in a bit, see if it's cold. But wow, weird. It seems like it's running. I don't know what to say. This is good. Be in touch. Thanks for watching, Carrie. Carrie here. Signing off.